Hi, it's Erin with Snowberry Design Co, and this is the place to be to learn how to paint watercolor flowers. In today's video, I'll be painting this heart-shaped peony wreath. I know what you're thinking, it's not super obvious that it's a heart. And I think if I would have painted my peonies just a little bit smaller, the whole thing would have looked more like a heart shape, but it's okay, we're just gonna move forward with it. I also wanted to tell you really quick about my freebie available to download that's all about water to paint ratios, or water control while painting. I get a lot of questions about how much water to use when watercolor painting, and this freebie will definitely help you with that. I have the link in the description box below, or you can head to my website, snowberrydesignco.com, to check it out. To start, I'm lightly sketching a heart to use as a guide for my wreath. I'll have all the products I mentioned in this video linked in the description box below, so be sure to check those out if you're interested. I've mixed shell pink and opera rose to create this pink color for my first peony. I'm using a lot of C curves that all curve into each other to form my peonies. And now that I've got these in place, I'm going to go in with my size 8 round brush, and then I'm painting in some filler flowers. These smaller flowers will help define that heart shape a little bit more and really give that Valentine's feel with the more red color. To tie in more of that opera rose, I'm adding in some berries. Next, I'm adding in my stems to help connect these smaller leaves and berries to my larger flowers. I'm then adding in more leaves to help round everything out and then fill in that heart shape a little bit more. I'm varying the lights and darks in the greens to help add interest and to create this imaginary line for your eye to follow around the wreath. Here's a little composition trick for you. You can see that I have these 3 points of dark leaves in the wreath, and that's really to help direct your eye from one point of the wreath to the next. You can apply this to anything in your paintings. You'll notice that I use this trick in almost all of my paintings. I'll have 3 little groups of one color or another to help move your eye around in the composition. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, will you please help spread the word about my channel and share this with a friend? Word of mouth really helps the channel grow, and growing the channel allows me to keep doing what I'm doing, which is helping you learn how to paint watercolor flowers. If you have a specific question or flower you'd like me to paint in my next video, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks again for watching. Bye!